Beautiful February day in Ohio, and this is my 2024 Beta 300 Race Edition. It's got a little over 2 hours. I've ridden it a handful of times, and today I'm going to do a quick back-to-back with my 2023 Beta 300 Race Edition. This bike my buddy George bought, and we're at his place. I'm just going to run it just around the field here in the yard, pull a few wheelies, just see if we can feel some difference between dual plug, single plug. I've been wanting to do this back-to-back comparison. I know Beta talks about more power and low to mid, but man, nothing better than just riding it back-to-back and see if you can feel the difference. This bike's got about a little over 13 hours on it. It's still got a lot of response, quick. Kind of get that roll-on feel. Like I said, and when I had this bike, this is probably one of the best 300 two-stroke engines I've ever ridden, and this one feels really good. That subtle roll on there. Let's see what kind of difference we feel. Well, one thing right there, steering, I could definitely feel the steering angle. So, low to mid, linear, runs clean. Let's see if we can feel any difference in dual plugs. Still idles nice. Well, right away, one thing I feel, this seat, 24 seat is definitely better. A little wider. All right, that initial. Just try some roll on. And it is not a big difference. They both run really good. And a roll on. This one I think there might be just a little bit, kind of that third gear roll on feel might be a little bit stronger. Just a tick. Definitely the seat's better. So, maybe, just maybe, two plugs, a little bit more roll on, but it's subtle. My buddy George rode it back to back. He felt similar, but boy, both of these engines run really, really good. So, single plug, 2 thumbs up. Dual plug, 2 thumbs up. But for sure, this new seat, it's wider, definitely more comfortable. And the other thing it's easy to see now is this wider area up here at the stock. This is really about a little thinner than the headset, and this one's maybe a little wider than the headset tube, but engine wise they're both really, really good engines. I think the dual plug maybe Maybe I was expecting a little more, but we'll get them on a moto track here as soon as the weather breaks and we get some outdoor ride, and we'll ride them back to back. Might feel a little bit more difference there, but maybe that roll-on torque feel might be a subtle difference. But it's fun to compare them back to back. 2 thumbs up. Beta Rideability 300 Race Edition.